What if you can control your light with the press of a button? A switch lets you turn your circuit on and off. It's made up of two parts. The first part is the switch gap, a break in your circuit where the conductive tape doesn't connect. The second part is the switch contact, a piece of conductive material that can bridge the gap when pressed. When the switch is open, the gap is disconnected. Electrons can't flow, so the light stays off. When the switch is closed, the contact bridges the gap. The loop is complete, electrons flow, and the light turns on. Let's build a DIY switch. Grab your template and materials. You will need one LED sticker, one Launchpad battery, conductive tape, 2 binder clips, and a pair of scissors. Once you have everything ready, let's build our DIY switch. Turn to the template on the next page. Stick conductive tape over the blue line, and then the red line. Find the gray patch at the bottom corner of the page. Cover it with a few pieces of conductive tape. This is your switch contact, the part that will close the gap when pressed. When you press the folded corner down, it closes the gap. Place the Launchpad battery over the battery footprint. Clip the battery tabs in place using your 2 binder clips. Stick the LED sticker over the footprint. Now press down on your switch. Your LED will shine. Turn the page. Congratulations! You just made a switch. What happens when you press the question mark button? Draw it on the page. Share your creation with us using #Chibitronics on social media. Want to see even more magic happen? Scan the QR code and follow along. We can't wait to see what you make.